luggage is okay. It's only a couple-hour flight. I'll be fine.
Hello everyone, and welcome to American Airlines, a non-stop flight to California. The captain asks that everyone remains in their seat until the seatbelt sign goes off. Thank you and enjoy your flight. Hi ma'am, would you like anything to start the flight?
Can I have a water?
Yeah, sure, that'll be fine. Here you go, ma'am.
Thanks.
Ma'am, are you okay? Ma'am, are you alright? Ma'am. You alright? Ma'am, are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, do you need anything else?
No, I'm just nervous.
You want this?
No.
Alright. Okay. Ma'am, where are you going?
I need my luggage. I need my medicine. It's in my bag.
The seatbelt sign is on, ma'am.
But it's just my medicine.
No, you can't get up. The seatbelt sign is on.
I just need my medicine, though.
The seatbelt sign. I'm gonna call security.
Oh my God.
The seatbelt sign's on. You'll have to wait till we get to California.
Okay.
Put your seatbelt back on. Thank you.
There's bombs on the plane! There's bombs on the plane!
You can't say that, man!
There's bombs on the plane! There's bombs! Everybody get on!
Ma'am!
Jump out the window!
Ma'am! There's always one on the plane.